Hello there, fellow cat enthusiasts. Get ready to dive headfirst into a world overflowing with purrs, paws, and pure, unadulterated cuteness. We're about to explore the delightful antics of our feline friends. Watch them go, chasing that little red dot or batting at a toy mouse. Their energy is simply contagious. Every pounce is a tiny ballet, every wiggle a burst of joy. They turn everyday objects into epic adventures. A simple string becomes a dragon, a cardboard box a castle. Their imagination is as boundless as their fluffiness. But after all that excitement, it's time for a stretch. Oh, the glorious, full body stretch. It's like they're practicing for the Cat Olympics of flexibility. And then, the nap. They can find the most surprising, sometimes gravity-defying spots to catch some Z's. A sunbeam is a luxury suite, a laundry basket, a five-star hotel. From a tiny yawn revealing a pink tongue to a slow blink of affection, every moment with a cat is a treasure. Their expressive faces tell 1,000 stories without a single word. It's true, isn't it? Cats really do equal happiness. They bring so much warmth and laughter into our lives with their quirky personalities and endless charm. Whether they're a fluffy Persian, a sleek Siamese, or a classic tabby, each one is a unique bundle of joy. They remind us to find comfort in the simple things. Ready for more feline fun? Here we go. Have you ever watched your cat and wondered what adventures fill their day? Beyond the naps and cuddles, there's a whole world waiting to be explored right in your home or garden. They see the world with curious eyes, finding excitement in the simplest things. Every corner holds a mystery, every height a challenge. Their bodies are incredible machines, perfectly designed for their explorations. They leap, they climb, they balance with effortless grace. Their senses are sharp, picking up the faintest sounds and movements. They are natural hunters, even if their prey is just a favorite toy or a dancing sunbeam. From the highest perch to the lowest hiding spot, they are constantly learning and interacting with their environment. They observe the world around them with intense focus. Every day is an opportunity for a new discovery, a new game, a new moment of pure, unadulterated cat joy. Their adventures are endless, fueled by instinct and curiosity. They live fully in the moment, finding wonder everywhere they look. What will they explore next? The adventure is just beginning.